Hello, I've been sent the E26 all-terrain dual suspension bike from Engwe. I'm going to put it through its paces to see whether it really is a bike for all terrains. Okay, the bike comes with 2 battery keys. The bell came in this box. A comprehensive toolkit. So you've got all the tools you need to put the bike together, which takes about half an hour. Right, so we've assembled it and charged it up. Probably takes 5 to 6 hours to fully charge the battery. Okay, first impressions, I like the look of it. It's a big solid bike. It has 26" by 4 fat tyres. Okay, big chunky tyres, big powerful brakes, hydraulic brakes. I like the way the wiring loom is nice and neat. Okay, and I love this Engwe bell. Beautiful sound. Front fork suspension, which is adjustable, and you can lock it. And the other suspension is the seat itself. The seat is adjustable up and down and locked into position. Seems a nicely padded seat as well. We have a really robust rear shelf here, which can take up to 25 kilograms. Metal mud guards, front and rear. So that's going to stop any rain being splashed onto you while you're riding. Steel pedals. A nice robust stand. So everything about the bike just looks solid. 7-speed Shimano gears. Right, let's switch the bike on. A nice bright LCD display. So we've got the 5 bars across there for the battery power. I set it in miles per hour. It does come set to kilometers per hour, and it's got 5. 0 is there's no pedal assist, and we've got 5 settings, so it can go up to 5. There is a throttle which you can set. So let's switch the lights on, which I think is this. Right, light symbol comes on. Wow, that's what you call really powerful LED lights. We've got a rear LED light as well. It's no problem riding this in the dark. It's also got brake lights, which is a nice feature. So overall, I'm really looking forward to riding the bike. I'm going to test it on the road, on rough paths, off-road, and we'll take it into the woods. Got an external charging point there. Okay, and if you want to take the battery out, key goes in there and the battery just pops out. Click it, just pop it in, turn the key, and it just clicks in. Take the key out. So you can take the battery out and charge it indoors without any issues. few specs. The bike weighs 33.5 kilograms. It has a 250 watt 70 Newton meter torque motor. The battery is 48 volts, 16 amps. It has a range of 140 kilometers or 87 miles. The bike comes in 3 distinctive colours: Galaxy Grey, Gem Green and Bumblebee Yellow. Okay, so we're going to test the Engwe E26. Right, let's switch it on. Nice bright display. So let's go. The motor is very quiet. Can't really hear the motor. The brakes, whoa, very powerful. Oh, the back wheel skidded there. It's got powerful hydraulic brakes. Wow. I suppose they need to be powerful because this is quite a heavy bike. At 33.5 kilos, I believe. Right, I'm just going to turn left here down a path. Right, I'm going to try it without any assist. This is on fairly flat terrain. Right. So I just put it back to pedal assist 1 because we're going downhill. We don't really need any assistance really. There's a couple of speed bumps down here, so let's see how these fat tyres and suspension work. Yeah, that rode that easily. Over the bump again. Yeah. And the fat tyres as well, just even out any imperfections in the road. I'm going to turn right and see how it performs up a steep hill. Okay, so pedal assist 1, and this is quite a steep hill. So the motor will have cut out at that speed because it's UK legal configuration. So I'm riding up this steep hill and the motor is just gliding me up this steep hill without any issues whatsoever. I can hardly hear any road noise from the tyres. I also like being sat up quite high. The bike seems to be well balanced. Alright, so we're going up this hill, pedal assist 3, no real effort, and we're doing 11.8 miles per hour. Okay, 4th gear on the Shimano. A very easy ride. Shock absorbers are doing the job pretty well. And the fat tyres are helping as well. Okay. Right, I'm in the woods here. So you could say this is well and truly off-road. And its handling is pretty good. Yep, shock absorbers. We're getting rid of most of the bumps. Fat tyres are helping as well. I think this is as rough as you're gonna get. Very impressed. Okay, we're coming out of the woods and onto the main road. Now this road is quite a steep road into the village, so I'm going to put it into Power Assist 5 and see how it copes with the road. The bike is maintaining 15 miles per hour without any problem whatsoever. Okay, well, I'm back from riding the E26. Before I talk about what I thought of the bike itself, I'd just like to thank Engwe for sending us the bike to review in the first instance. If anybody is interested in purchasing the bike, there is a link in the description below which will take you to the Engwe site, and there is a £100 discount. Okay, let's talk about the bike. At the beginning I said, is this bike an all-terrain bike? Having ridden it in the woods, on the roads, on dirt paths, I can honestly say it is. It's a fantastic bike for all different terrains. Right, my first impressions when I started riding the bike was how quiet the motor was. Being a big bike, I thought it would be hard to manoeuvre, but it's just like riding a small bike. You can always take your hands off the handlebars, and it just handles round corners and obstacles really well. So it's a well balanced bike. Uphills isn't an issue whatsoever. It's only got a 250 watt motor, which is UK compliant, and it's got plenty of power. That 70 Newton meter torque really propels you up hills. So I was most impressed on that score. Taking it into the woods, there's lots of ruts and holes which were hidden by the leaves, and I think it handled that quite magnificently. I was really impressed with that part of the bike. Two other features I really like about the bike are the hydraulic brakes, very powerful, stops you in no time at all. The headlight and rear light are really good if you're riding in poor visibility, and the brake light is a good feature as well. As a commuter bike, getting you from A to B, it's got a really good range of 87 miles. As a mountain bike, brilliant. It gets you off-road, cycling around. So my overall impression is, as I said at the beginning, is this bike an all-terrain bike? And I can answer it, yes. Are there any negatives? I can't really think of one. Yeah, it's heavy. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.